Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're new in my channel, I'm really grateful to have you here. God bless you. So this is another video. This is a cooking vlog. Yes, this day I made a lot of things. The day we did this thing, we made a lot of things. This is beans ready for MoiMoi. This is pepperoni. We call it pepperoni in Italy, and the red dot pepper in English. So already washed. Then this is the crayfish we have. This crayfish, I just the ayu. We really use it for the onions, yeah. And we have the scotch bonnet pepper. So I grinded 3 of them together. That is the scotch bonnet pepper, the red dot pepper, and the onions. After I must have steamed it together. This is the crayfish. Imagine when I was putting this, my daughter said, sembra kaka. It looks like, imagine, the children they born in this syrup. I say, okay, it looks like your own. They started laughing. So I'm trying to turn it, to mix it together. We are on it. I have my children around with me. Oh, you guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. God bless you wherever you are. I know you're going to watch this video. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. You really helped me out. If you look straight from that door, you will see there is a fire on with a pot on top of it. You will see that is pepper soup already on fire. This is good pepper soup. Oh God, look at the plate set for the MoiMoi. Yeah, I'm trying to see how the taste looks like. Yeah, the crayfish was so much, so it was really good. Yeah, it was really good. So now I want to show them how they will be doing the plate for me. Adding the oil, yes, rubbing the oil inside the plate so that after we must have cooked it won't have any problem in coming out. It won't stick to the plate. So thank you guys for helping me out. God bless you guys. So that is it. We are on it. Women at work. You know, those times we used to see men at work. Now it's women at work. We are really working it. It was so fun. It was so fun. God bless you guys for helping mommy out. Yes, I'm trying to see if it is tasty. Yeah, it is. Guys, you will see that crayfish. It was so much. It was so much. So this MoiMoi was made to be 100, but it was more than 100. Yeah, it was more than 100. Yes, you can see how they are putting the oil inside the plate, so that after we must have finished cooking and want to eat, it won't be difficult removing it from the plate. So that is it. This is the time to put it on the plate. A lot of work. We really worked that day. Really worked that day. It was fun, and this MoiMoi was sweet. You can see that white thing inside is egg. How already boiled. It's egg. So many of you that ate this MoiMoi will testify that this MoiMoi was very sweet. In fact, if you're watching now and you really want to eat again, just let me know. I'll give you my address. You come and eat some. God bless you for watching. Okay. We are digging it. We really working it out. Division of labor is very good, you know. Later they started closing it. It won't be open when you used to close it. So you can see there is a lot of work in it. The hand that does not work will not eat. So we are trying to work so that we can eat. So we are on it. So if you're watching up to this period and you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos, you will see it coming. Yes. And like the video if you love it. I know you like it now. Like it for me now. God bless you as you like it. No. Yes. Okay, this is the final stage of this MoiMoi. It was really sweet. You see how we close it? It was really sweet. It was really sweet. Yes, we enjoy it. We enjoy it. Yes, we dish it with rice. Yes, we also fry turkey. Yeah, this is turkey. Hey, this is turkey. And this is how it looks like. Wow, wow. It was nice. It was nice. Very, very sweet. So, if you want to know the tutorial of how to cook jollof rice, don't hesitate. Go to Janet to Veggie's channel or Fantastic Favor our Mama on YouTube. What is the video you will see? So look at this pepper soup, goat pepper soup. Look at it. Pepper soup in making, goat pepper soup in making. It was really fun. God bless you for watching up to this period. Yeah, this is one of the things I did that day. That it was me that made the cake and decorate it. So what are you waiting for? If you like this video, like it and subscribe to this channel.